the first thing that comes to your mind when you think of F1 cars?
Like how fast they are?
How slow they are.
Fire extinguisher! Fire extinguisher!
There's a lot going on here, so if you guys can get here fast.
Millions of dollars later, I've acquired my own F1 car. So this F1 car is fresh from Monaco. They were gonna use it in like the Grand Prix or something. This is great. Oh, let's go off-roading. I just have one concern about this, and that is...
Be gentle.
There's just one problem, the car does not have an engine. We have all these parts. It came with like the exhaust and...
That's it. Back up, back up.
So we're gonna torch this bale until
Nothing is left at all.
Oh my God.
That was insane.
that was
bro.
amazing. Wow.
Whoa! Whoa!
What the hell's happening? Oh!
Hey, fire extinguisher! Fire extinguisher! Brakes! Brakes! Stay on the brakes.
Spray it now!
Fire extinguisher!
No! Get the out of here now!
Come on! Underneath! Underneath!
Spray it!
Underneath!
Spray it now! I gotta get out of here. It's gonna be a tug.
You can get out. You can get out.
It's gonna roll.
You're good. You're good.
Give me a wheel truck now.
Get out.
Fire's not going out. The fuel is just dumping, dude. The fuel is just pouring out of there.
It's done.
Dude, it's gonna take the whole tank.
It's done.
Call the fire department. Call the fire department, go. There's a lot going on here, so if you guys can get here fast, I'm gonna go ahead and open the gate now.
It's done. We just lost it, bro.
Oh my God. To help with the process. We do have a fully operational fighter jet powered drag car to use for the build.
Okay.
So it's good to go.
This engine you want to put in that.
Whatever you need. Notice anything weird?
It looks like it was recently involved in a fire of some sort.
No.